Hi guys, this is Beto Chingon. I just purchased this Hayward grids for my DE filter. Okay, and the model of this is the DE7200 DC. Okay, these are the original or OEM replacement grids for the pool filter. We have a 7200D filter, and it's an old one, because we had it for a while, probably for over 10 years. And it's time to replace the grids. So anyway, I purchased these grids from a company online, and I believe the company is called Pool Supply World or something like that. Anyway, I purchased the grids, and as you can see, well, it does have fragile signs all over. Okay, you can see signs here, on the other side. But if you take a look at the box, the condition of the box is terrible. That's a fragile. So I'm not blaming the company that sold this stuff to me. Okay, the delivery company didn't really do a good job. Take a look at this. All that stuff, you can see it is, it's got holes all over. So somebody didn't read those signs or didn't pay attention to the signs. And take a look at what happened. It looks great. You can tell they're good quality grids. Okay, you can tell they're real good quality grids, but the problem there is with the delivery company, they actually damaged this bracket on the bottom. The bracket on the bottom is missing a piece of plastic here. And if I put this in my pool pump, it's actually gonna be moving and flapping, and it might make a hole. It defeats the purpose of a filter if it makes a hole there. By the way, normally this unit is about $749 plus tax. So you're looking at probably around $800 or more to buy this replacement filter, but it's the OEM brand, like I was saying. Okay, so this is not an aftermarket thing. Okay. I did put the little pieces inside. Okay, they're here. I put them in this Ziploc. That way the seller can see those broken pieces. Anyway, I just put them inside. That way they can see what happened. But anyway, it's a great buy. But when I called them, they offered me a replacement of the broken part. They didn't offer me a replacement of the complete unit. And this is an assembly, okay? So if you take it apart, it's kind of like a little bit complicated to be putting it all together. So I'm spending the money because I don't want to do that. And these people is trying to sell me something that I need to get apart, a replacement part, take it all apart and put it all back together. Well, I told them no. I said, I don't want to do that. So just send me a replacement. They said it takes about 10 days for me to send this unit back, or over 10 days, and for another 10 days for them to send the unit back to me. So we're looking at almost over 20 days or almost a month for me to get my unit. I told them just cancel the order, okay, and give me a refund. I'll buy another unit. That way I can get it done. So I end up doing that. I'm buying another unit, and I apply for a refund for this unit. So anyway, just to let you guys know, when I call the phone number that's in the box, they answered Leslie's Pool Supplies. Leslie's Pool Supplies, they'll sell you an aftermarket item for more money than what I'm paying for this unit that is original from Hayward. But I was amazed. I asked, what's going on? Is this Leslie's or is this Pool Supply World? He said, well, we have something to do. Leslie's and Pool Supply World, they're kind of working together. I said, okay, that's fine with me. Makes no difference to me. But anyway, just for you guys to know, my savings is $300 for ordering from this company online. Because being the end of the summer special, it's a $300 discount. But anyway, I just have to wait for the new one. That way I can put it together. But I wanted to let you guys know that that's what happened to me. Okay? If it happens to you, well, don't blame the seller. Okay? In this case, we can blame FedEx. That's the company that delivered this item, and it was damaged by them. Okay? But anyway, thank you guys. This is Beto Chingon. If you guys like the video, please subscribe. But like I said, every time that you buy something, inspect it. Don't just take it as like, oh yeah, I'm spending all this money and it should be right. No, it doesn't work like that most of the time. Thank you guys. Have a good day and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.